Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss ESE cracking strategy. In this video, we're going to see exam pattern, syllabus, subject weightage, and cutoff mark. See, if you are the college student studying second year, third year, fourth year, this is the right time for your preparation. Please start your preparation now itself. Because after clearing the degree, you will have many commitments like job and etc. So prepare IES with your along with your studies. For preparing IES, I am going to tell about three stages. In stage 1, we are going to discuss about the pattern, weightage analysis and level of questions. In pattern 2, a concept, the clear-cut concept and previous year questions. And stage 3, revision and test. See, in stage 1, if you are not aware of ESE exam, don't start your preparation blindly. Take 2 weeks for analysis. First thing, you must know the pattern. Okay, how the question paper will be. Then second one, weightage mark. How many marks will be asked in each subject. Then we should analyze the level of difficulties. This is for stage 1. In stage 2, we are going to study all the concepts for GATE and IES. Concept is very important for clearing IES and GATE. If 7 months is not enough for your concept preparation, take 8 months, 9 months, 10 months. Extra time is not important, but we should study the concept clearly. After studying concept, we should solve previous year question papers. Solve all technical exam question papers. In, in stage 3, revision and mock test. If you follow this schedule, definitely you will get maximum score. See, we will help you. W book institution are there. We will help you to get clear-cut idea, get clear-cut concept. We will do revision and test. Okay. So make this plan. Make this plan to get idea about IES exam. Now we will go for stage 1, the pattern. See, IES exam will be conducted in 3 stages. The first stage is objective type question, second stage conventional type question, third type personality test. I mean interview. So the stage 1, both two papers will be there, both will be objective type. The paper 1 will be general studies and engineering aptitude. The duration of test will be 2 hours, the mark will be 200. The paper 2 engineering subject duration will be 3 hours, the mark will be 300. Okay, right. See, both the paper will be conducted in the same day, morning and afternoon. So total mark will be 500. Okay, total mark will be 500. So out of 500, they will make cutoff mark. The cutoff mark will be together, not each paper. Together, they will release the cutoff mark. If you clear the cutoff mark, we will eligible for stage 2. See, the stage 2 conventional paper, I mean descriptive. We all write like semester paper. See, in stage 2, we have 2 papers, conventional paper 1, conventional paper 2. Both will be engineering subject. The duration of both the paper will be 3 hours. The maximum mark both paper will be 300 marks. So totally 600 marks. Right? Yeah. The total mark will be 600. So the total marks of stage 1 and stage 2 will be 1100, because the stage 1 you will have 500 marks, the stage 2 you will have 600 marks. So totally you will have total mark will be 1100. So out of 1100, they will release a cutoff mark. Those who are clear the cutoff mark eligible to third stage. The third stage will be personality test. For personality test, the total mark will be 200 mark. Okay, the total mark, the stage 1 plus stage 2 plus stage 3 is equal to 1300 mark. Out of 1300 mark, those who are clear the cutoff, they will call it for certificate verification and medical test. Okay, this is the exam pattern, right? Yeah. Now, syllabus, the stage 1 consists of two papers. One is general studies, second one is technical paper. The general studies will have 10 topics. Okay, you have to concentrate those 10 topics. The paper 1 will consist of six papers. The one will be, see, the basic electronics. The second will be basic electrical engineering. The third will be material science. The fourth will be electronic measurement and instrumentation. Then network theory. Then analog and digital circuit. This is for paper 1. Then paper 2 you will have another 6 subjects, that is analog and digital communication and control system, computer organization and architecture, electromagnetics, advanced electronic topics and advanced communication topics. Okay, for stage 1 you will have two papers. One is GS, general studies. Second one will be the technical paper. But for the technical paper you need to study all the 12 papers. Okay, for stage 2 you have two papers. No, paper 1 will consist of these subject, then paper 2 will consist of these subject. Okay, so totally 12 subject. So 6 for paper 1, another 6 for paper 2. Okay, this is all subject. So to study this subject, see, first for the class notes and then refer some workbooks and refer previous year question papers. Okay, if you follow these things, definitely you will score more marks. Okay, right. Now I am going to show about the weightage mark. See, for paper 2 objectives there, no, so it will be 300 marks. So I am going to show the subject weightage. Okay, see the network theory. See the network theory. Network theory is the most important. See, 34 marks. Then communication theory, 28 marks. Electromagnetic theory, 26 marks. Material science, 24 marks. Analog circuit, 22 marks. Control system, 24 marks. Measurements, 24 marks. Advanced communication, 20 marks. See, these are the very very important subject. We must thorough these subject. See, then part 2 will also be there. Part 2. Then see, computer organization, 20 marks. Digital circuit, 20 marks. Basic electrical engineering, 16 marks. Signal system, 14 marks. Microprocessor, 12 marks. Advanced electronics, 10 marks. Electronic circuit, 6 marks. See, these are the weightage. Average mark will be asked from each subject. So we need to study all the type of questions, not only ESE. After studying the concept, okay, you must solve gate questions, IES questions, then all other technical exam question paper. Okay, right. Then the cutoff analysis. See, stage 1 is out of 500 marks. See the category, the electronic telecommunication category. See here, no. See here, 226. I mean, out of 500, it is 226. The general cutoff will be. See here, 250 is the 50% of the mark, but here less than 50%. So the clearing stage 1 is very very easy because the general cutoff is less than 50%. See, check 2018, 2017. So all are less than 50%. Okay, then go for stage 2. The stage 2 will be out of 1100. Okay, 1100. So here no, see 1100, the cutoff will be, the 50% will be 550. This 50% cutoff. See here it is again less than 50 percentage. It is again less than 50 percentage. So again clearing stage 2 also easy. When compared to gate, clearing ES is very easy. Right? Yeah. Then third one. Third one. Yeah, the final cutoff. The final cutoff is stage 1 plus stage 2 plus stage, that is personal interview. Yes. See here, this is out of 1300. So 1300, the cutoff 50% will be 650. Okay, it is slightly higher than the 50 percentage. Okay, or approximately equal to 50 percentage. So here 713 is slightly higher than the 50 percentage. So see, clearing ESE is very easy if you study well. Yeah, here after analyzing the question pattern and weightage, then we should study the concept clearly. Okay, so study the concept clearly. Each and every concept is very important. Okay, so after studying, we should solve previous year question paper. Okay, right. Then after studying the concept well, we should go for revision. What is revision? Not studying all the concept again. Revision nothing but, here you will get so many doubt. Okay, so many doubt. The doubt must be rectified in the revision part. Okay, that is the revision part. Then you must go for test. Okay, all right. See, these are the cracking strategy. So you have to prepare now itself. Okay, don't waste your time. Study at least 2 to 3 hours per day. In starting stage, 2 to 3 hours enough. Then slightly you can improve the your studies timing. Okay, so WB institution are there to help you. So we are conducting online and offline IES exam and gate. If you are interested, come here, join here.